How to hide or add Instagram reel video from profile grid. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now tap on the reels icon. Now open up your reels. Now tap on the three dots. Now tap on manage. Now under hide like count, tap on add to profile grid. Now to hide reels from profile grid, go back to your home screen. Now tap on your profile. Now open up the reel. Now tap on the three dots. Now tap on remove from profile grid. Again tap on remove. So by following this simple step, you can hide or add Instagram reels from profile grid. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.